Welcome to the Geek Divers tutorial. In this episode we'll see how to set up your dive site. Let's go to menu Diving and Dive Site. Now in my system I already have a few dive sites and I assigned them to either Dive Center 1, Dive Center 2 or Dive Center 3. To add a new dive site you need to give it a name, for example Awesome Dive Site, a description. Usually in the description you can write if it's a shore dive, if it's a boat dive, if there's a flat sandy bottom, if there are pinnacles, corals, kelps, whatever you prefer. Then you set the maximum depth, for example 45 meters, and then you can assign this dive site to a specific location. If your Geek Divers account only has one location, you will not see this field. If your account has more than one location, then you have to assign a location to this dive site. So for example, Dive Center 1. Click Save, and your awesome dive site is saved here. Dive sites will be used in your trips, so it's important that you set up at least a couple of dive sites to start using Geek Divers. You can always go back to this page to maintain the current dive site. If you want to modify a dive site, you just need to click on the name, and as you can see, it will appear back into this form. You make the changes that are needed, and then you can click on Update. If you need to delete a dive site, you can just click on button Delete at the end of the dive site row. Thank you for watching.